Okay, so our next task is Python division. So let's go to the query. It says add logic to print two lines. The first line should contain the result of A division B, and the second should contain the result of float division. Okay, this is integer division and this is float division. So now during the concept of double slash, it is an integer division. That means whenever you do the division using double slash, so it will discard the values which comes after the point, and if you will use a slash b like single operator division, so it will also include the values which have floating values, right? So here you see the result of integer division is 0, but the result of float division is 0.6, right? So okay, let's quickly implement it. So here we go. We will have to print. So first we'll have to do integer division, and then we'll have to do float division. Okay, let's do it. Let's run the code. Okay, it worked successfully. Let's submit the code. Voila, both test cases worked, and I have earned first star. Okay, so let's continue to the next task.